Hey guys, it's Scooter from Krietz Customs and we're back with another build overview video. Behind me we have a 2016 Ford F-150 Lariat that Krietz Customs has built, and it's also currently part of the Krietz Auto inventory. We're going to take a look at what we did to this truck, but before we do that, let's take a look at this beauty. If you made it this far, that means you really do like the build of this truck. We'll go ahead and start off with the wheel and tire package. The wheel is going to be a 22x12 fuel vapor. It's a D560 with a matte black finish. Most people say that this one is not a true matte black because it does have a nice sheen to it, but I would say it's more of a semi-gloss with a true matte black center cap. With it being a 22x12, it's going to have a -44 offset that pushes the wheel out from the fenders about 3 inches, and then also gives you a nice concave look. The tire is going to be a Nitto Ridge Grappler. The size is a 35/1250 R22. The Ridge Grappler is one of our favorites because it's a great hybrid tire, being great off-road, give you a nice traction and an aggressive look. On-road, this tire is also really good because it gives you a nice quiet ride going down the interstate, so you won't be having too much road noise. We chose to put a 6-inch Rough Country lift on this truck because 1, Rough Country is a less expensive brand, but 2, Rough Country is also a good quality brand. So if you guys like this truck, check it out on our inventory at KrietzAuto.com. And if you want to like to build your truck like this, send us a message on Facebook at Krietz Customs and we'll get you started.